Hey everybody, it's George. The robots are coming, or are they? It seems like every day there's a news story about artificial intelligence learning to do something new. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. Today we're going to talk about the jobs that are actually from the robot uprising. Stick around to learn how to future-proof your career and become completely irreplaceable. So, first up, let's talk about creativity. Can AI write a best-selling novel? Sure, it can string together sentences, but can it create a story with heart and real characters? Probably not. AI can imitate, but it can't truly create. Creative jobs need originality and human experience. Okay, next up, let's talk about healthcare. Now I know what you're thinking, John. They already have robots in the operating room. AI assists with surgery, but it won't replace surgeons soon. Healthcare is more than technical skills. It's about empathy, compassion, and complex decision-making. For now, we'd rather have a human being holding our hand when we're scared or sick. Speaking of humans connecting with humans, let's talk about education. Teaching isn't just about transmitting information. If it was, then AI could totally take over. But it's not. It's about inspiring a love of learning, adapting to different learning styles, and mentoring students on their educational journey. Think about your favorite teacher. What made them so great? Was it their ability to explain complex concepts in a way that made sense? Was it their passion for the subject? Or was it just the fact that they really that they believed in you? These are all things that AI is going to have a really hard time replicating. Chapter 4. The power of hands-on skills. Now, let's move on to something totally different: skilled trades. Remember when we were kids and everybody told us that if we didn't go to college, we'd never get a good job? Well, guess what? They were wrong. The truth is, there's a huge demand for skilled tradespeople like plumbers, electricians, carpenters, and mechanics. And while AI might be able to diagnose a problem with your car, it's going to have a hard time actually getting under the hood and it. Chapter 5. The heart of human connection. Let's talk about another set of jobs that are all about human connection: social work, counseling, psychology. These are jobs that require deep empathy, emotional intelligence, and the ability to navigate complex social dynamics. AI might be able to analyze data and identify patterns in human behavior, but it's not going to be able to truly understand the nuances of human emotion or provide the kind of personalized support that people need. Chapter 6. Can AI argue in court? Next up, let's talk about the legal profession. Lawyers have to be able to think critically, analyze complex information, and advocate for their clients. And while AI might be able to do some of the grunt work, like researching case law or drafting documents, it's not going to be able to replace the strategic thinking and persuasive skills of a human lawyer anytime soon. Plus, laws are constantly changing and evolving, and it takes a human mind to interpret and apply those laws in a way that makes sense. So for now, the courtroom is still a human domain. Chapter 7. Where curiosity never ends. Now let's talk about one of my favorite things: scientific research and development. This is another field where human curiosity and ingenuity are going to be essential for a long time to come. AI can be great at analyzing data and identifying patterns, but it's not going to be able to replace the kind of out-of-the-box thinking that leads to truly groundbreaking discoveries. Scientists need to be able to ask the right questions, design experiments, and interpret data in a way that leads to new knowledge. Chapter 8. Leading in an automated world. Finally, let's talk about the big dogs, CEOs, entrepreneurs, and other high-level management positions. These are the people who are responsible for making strategic decisions, managing teams, and leading organizations into the future. Because at the end of the day, leadership is about inspiring and motivating people, and that's something that humans are just better at than robots. Outro: the future is human. So there you have it, 8 jobs that AI can't replace. For now, at least. Who knows what the future holds? But one thing is for sure: the jobs that are most likely to be automated are those that are repetitive, predictable, and don't require a lot of human interaction. So, if you're worried about the robots coming for your job, the best thing you can do is to focus on developing skills that are uniquely human. Creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and the ability to connect with others on a deep level. Because in a world that's increasingly automated, it's our humanity that will set us apart. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.